The Balinese drum keeps the pulse and directs the pace of a gamelan performance. This is the 50 centimeter size, and there are also bigger 60 centimeter and 70 centimeter versions.
This is the Drums for Schools Balinese drum. Often played as part of a gamelan ensemble, the role of the drum in the ensemble is to keep time. This drum has been handmade by traditional craftsmen on the Indonesian island of Bali. It has two playing heads, one larger and one smaller head, and it's played with the hands while sat on the floor, and your hands play towards the edge of the drum like this.
The 50 centimeter Balinese drum, a key instrument in the gamelan ensemble.